Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will walk you through on how to set up a custom workspace in Adobe Photoshop in 2025. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. To access the available workspaces, navigate to the menu. Select Window, select Workspace. You will see there is an Essential or Default Workspace, 3D Workspace, Graphic and Web, Motion Workspace, Painting Workspace, Photography Workspace. If these presets don't suit your needs, go ahead and tap on New Workspace. Give it a title and then select what you want to be applied to your workspace, such as toolbar, keyboard shortcuts, and menus. Tap on Save. Now you have your new workspace saved and you can customize it. Go up to Window Workspace and you will see your workspace available. Now to customize it by adding actions to the right, tap on Window. Select Actions. Now drag actions over here. Also drag history over here too. You can adjust it how you prefer. You can remove unwanted panels by clicking on the 3 horizontal lines, then selecting Close Tab Group. Now you can switch between workspaces by navigating to Window.Workspace, then select the workspace you want to work on. That is it for today, and thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.